Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm your host and beautician Gulali K Afridi on your favorite show Beauty Parlor only on Bypass TV. And we have some amazing yummy products right in front of us here. Actually tools in front of us which you can use on yourself for straightening your hair or getting rid of the frizz. And इस summers में for sure frizz सबसे ज़्यादा होती है हमें. So guys, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप ये विन कर सकें देन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप खरीदारी करेंगे सनसिल्क की एंड ग्लो एंड लवली की इफ़ ओनली यू विश to win these baddies. So we have this Remington straightener and we have the Remington a dryer as well, which is amazing and I don't have to further talk about it, of course. So guys, we're for everybody who has not taken a part in our lucky draw, it's your time now. Go and shop for Glow and Lovely and Sunsilk and be a part of our lucky draw, which will be announced on the 8th of May. और आप में से 12 लोग सेलेक्ट किए जाएंगे जो ये अमेजिंग चीज़ें जीतेंगे. So guys, enough of that. But we have an amazing topic today, which you guys will thoroughly enjoy, which is how to do summer makeup. Matte summer makeup to be more specific, and you have to keep your makeup super matte because it's summer but not so matte कि वो cakey लगे. So how to prevent that cakiness from your face? I'm gonna show you how. So let's start the process. So for a summer matte look, you need matte products, but the right matte products. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा मैट प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करेंगे there's a possibility कि आपका फेस बहुत पाउडरी लगे या आपका फेस बहुत ओवरली मैट एंड केकी लग सकता है. सो द बेस्ट वे इज़ कि आप उसको कैसे, एक तो हाउ यू अप्लाई इट एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. I'm going to introduce you to the best products which are super summer friendly. So let's start our look. And I have our Subdued Matte Foundation, which is full coverage by TV Parlor. So this is how it looks like. Let me show you guys. और इसके seller भी TV Parlor हैं guys. इसका QR code and product ID दोनों आपकी screens पे इस वक्त मौजूद हैं. This is in the shade light beige. Let me open this. So it claims to provide natural finish, flawless finish, while, oh my God, firstly, let's admire this bottle for once. This is so beautiful in luxe. I've never seen a bottle like that, especially in our local brands. मैंने इतनी luxe bottle पहले किसी की नहीं देखी. Amazing. How pretty is that? Love. I think ये तो आपकी vanity पे पड़ी ही पड़ी इतनी अच्छी लगेगी, on the dressing. So I'm just going to pump. Oh, I like the color as well. So मैंने फिलहाल सिर्फ 2 pumps लिए हैं. Oops. And let's see how it looks on our model. First, I'm going to. Oh wow, this is so pigmented. And I'm going to quickly, and honestly guys, उतना यूज़ करें, उतना निकालें जितना आपके इस्तेमाल में हो. It's always better not to waste your product and overdo your product. अब मोस्टली केकी मेकअप का सबसे बड़ा मसला क्या होता है कि हम बहुत सारा फाउंडेशन थोप देते हैं, which is not the case. And now, honestly, our model does not even require a lot of makeup. So if you're someone who does not require a lot of foundation, don't overdo it. I'm going to dip my sponge and start. Look at that, you guys. ये कितना pigmented है. Honestly, I think मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही निकाल लिया है. And इतने की need नहीं थी. But I'm just showing you guys how to do that application. हमेशा direct foundation मत लगाएं अपने face पे and keep your sponges damp, which means थोड़ा सा गीला करके अपने sponge को फिर इस्तेमाल करें ताकि वो blending में भी आपको आसानी दे. Okay, I love that. And it's really matching her tone as well. Like literally her tone. I'm going to dip my sponge back inside and I'm going to cover all other acne spots and area which needs all that coverage. Wow. Absolutely love it. Now I'm going to do is जो भी extra रह गया है उसको मैं इनकी lid पे भी color करूँगी because you don't want to leave those areas like that. Okay, another dipping. I love how blendable it is. Because मैंने अपने हाथ पे बहुत टाइम तक इसको छोड़ दिया था and then I applied to her skin. मोस्टली क्या होता है फाउंडेशन उसी वक्त नहीं like in another half a minute अपना patchiness show कर देता है या patch it leaves a patch behind and it has not done anything like that. I love how blendable it is and breathable. I can see her skin even after that coverage of hers and I love that. The skin should be able to breathe when you apply a good foundation. So guys, इसके सेलर भी टीवी पार्लर हैं और इसका QR कोड आपकी स्क्रीन पे इस वक्त मौजूद है. You can download our app Bypass Key and you can scan the QR code and buy it, or you can also send the product ID of this product to our WhatsApp number and buy it easily. So, I mean, I don't think I have to say any further about this product because you guys can literally see it's done wonders to her for now. And I think I absolutely love it. What I'll do is, before I do what I wanted to do with this, I'm going to take a quick break and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with this further. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor, guys. जैसा आप देखे थे, I am doing a summer matte look for Aksa right now. And what summer matte look basically is, हम summers में बहुत dewy makeup नहीं apply कर सकते हैं, कर भी सकते हैं, but try not to. अगर आप बहुत dewy makeup करेंगे तो आपको constant retouch की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. But if you do a matte look, you will not need a further retouch. So it's always better to do your job at once. So we're done with the foundation, and I absolutely love it. No jokes, love it. But one thing else, what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to also conceal from this product. So I'm just going to take a very small pump, literally a pea-sized pump, and I'm going to again just apply that from my fingertip directly to her eye, under eye, to give that brightening effect to her. Yes, love it. So we're using the same product as a concealer. I am just showing this to you guys कि अगर आपके पास concealer ना भी हो और आपके पास सिर्फ ये foundation हो, you can always use it differently as well. You can use it on the body as well to cover any marks or, you know, to be in one tone. Okay, so we're done with the concealing and the foundation. Now, since it's summer, तो आपको either you bake the whole face ताकि वो lock हो जाए. Why do you need to lock your face? You need to use some sort of powders which will lock your foundation ताकि उसकी stay बढ़ जाए. So if you want your makeup to stay put throughout the day, throughout the night, you need to lock it down, you guys. And having that said, I have my No Block Matte Pressed Powder. So when I talk about not having a very powdery face or not having a very cakey face is when I use a compact powder. If you're gonna use a compact powder, it is going to save you from caking up your face too much. So let's open this up. This is their buildable powder. Oops. Let me first clean my hand. Now, okay. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty and I absolutely love the color. और इसकी pigmentation check करें, guys. Literally. This is the pigmentation. अगर मैं चाहूँ तो मैं डायरेक्ट भी इस प्रोडक्ट को लगा सकती हूँ and I'll show you guys. ये मैंने प्रोडक्ट लिया and मैंने इनके नेक पे कुछ भी नहीं है and look at the difference. ह्यूज डिफरेंस। अगर आप चाहते हैं आप इसको अकेले भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली इन विंटर्स यू कैन गो ऑल अलोन विद दिस प्रोडक्ट। सोलो प्रोडक्ट भी आप इसको इंडिपेंडेंटली भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं विदाउट हैविंग टू पुट अ फाउंडेशन और बेस, बिकॉज इसकी इतनी पिगमेंटेशन है, इट इज़ हाईली हाईली पिगमेंटेड। सो let's also now lock in her, rest of her face. I am just going to lock her under eye. I don't need to lock any other areas of her face because she does, again, she doesn't need a lot of makeup. But if you require a lot of makeup, or if you're someone who gets really oily on your T-zone, then you're gonna dip your brush in the powder and आप अपने nose को मैट करेंगे, अपने forehead को, because that is the T zone. This is how the T is made. And when you're, when someone says my T zone is oily, this is what they mean, as in their forehead and their nose area is oily. So you can pack that and you're good to go. Otherwise, मैं इनके face पे powder नहीं करूँगी because it's not required and she already has a lot of coverage from the foundation, so it's not needed. But for someone like me, I might need that coverage of this powder throughout my face because I have open pores. She, although has no open pores or deep pores or big pores, large pores, none of that. So I'm not applying it. आप अपनी skin पे उतना ही करें जितनी requirement है, and when you do that, you save yourself from caking up. So guys, इसके भी जो seller हैं, that is Noblock Cosmetics. इसका QR code आपकी screens पे मौजूद है, इसका product ID भी आपकी screens पे आ रहा है. So guys, open your phones, quickly download our Bypass app and buy this little baddie. Or if you don't want to, download our app, or you don't have space whatsoever, what you can do is you can easily send the product ID of this code of this product to our WhatsApp number and buy it. So that was two different ways of buying this product, but there are also, a lot of ways of using it too. So I am also going to lock in her, close your eye, her lid. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक पतली सी लाइन फॉर्म हो गई है इनके कंसीलर या फाउंडेशन की. That is because it has creased. So how can you save yourself from creasing is through powders. This is how you're going to save yourself from powders. For everybody who uses very less makeup and then their complaint is, oh, our makeup really creases. It's because you're not using powders to lock your makeup, to make it smooth and to give that texture. Okay, so, one thing we know about powders is that it controls oil, but with that, it also gives good coverage. So I love that about it कि हमें इतना कुछ use करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, and still she has an amazing face, a beat face done. So next up we have our Sixer Terracotta Blush Palette. This is also by TV Parlor. And I absolutely love this palette. I've used this before. I've used it a million times from the packaging. आपकी इसके idea होगा that I've abused it by now. मुझे इतना पसंद है. So this is what it's going to look like. You will see huge pans in this palette where you can just go crazy with all these colors, and let me show you guys how. So the best part about this palette is कि ये baked powder, ये baked blush ज़रूर है, but इसमें थोड़ा बहुत जो है ये shimmer effect भी है. So it's going to give you that very sheer and light, highlight effect as well. So वो जो बहुत powdery effect आता है face पे, ये उसको it'll let that, vanish. So let's take this color for now because I want to give her the sunburnt effect. I'm going to run my brush all over this palette and take a bit of all these colors. मैं एक specific color नहीं उठा रही हूँ, मैं इन सब में I'm just running my brush like that. You also get a little applicator, but I'm not a fan of their applicator, so I use my personal brush. You guys can too. It's nice to use this applicator if you're traveling. Otherwise, it's really compact, so I am not a big fan of their brush. But otherwise, I love their product. let's give her that sunburned effect. And how can you get that sunburned effect is to work on the nose the most. Leave the color to the nose the most. TV Parlor Cosmetic and Company. So if you wish to buy this palette, which has huge pans and will last you forever in your life, so guys, take off your phones and turn them on, download our app, and also buy this baddie by TV Parlor. And it is an amazing product. You guys can see she looks cute. I would take powdery effect that has settled down for her. So next up, before I introduce you to some more summer friendly products, I'm going to take a quick break. Welcome back guys to Beauty Parlor. Just आप देख रहे थे, we're doing the summer look for Aksa right now. The matte summer look, which is going to last you all day, all night without that crazy, you know, sebum activating on your skin. So guys, now I'm gonna do her eyeshadow, and we have the Daifi 3D Flawless Makeup Palette. This is their eyeshadow palette, and it's super high pigmented. This is how it looks like. Let me show you guys. This is so pretty. You guys can see it looks just stunning. It's highly pigmented. It's a mix of matte, shimmers and satin shades. You guys can see इसमें नीचे glittery भी आपको नजर आएंगी. It's long lasting, crease free wear, smooth silky texture, and the color payoff is amazing. So you guys can take a look of it. Looks amazing. So since it's summer, you guys can do summery looks too now, which is super cool. I'm going to do a little euphoria sort of a look for her. I'm going to take this blue shade, and also because it's summers, you can play around with color. Wow, she's gonna look like aquamarine. So pretty. Look at that blue. And no doubt their color payoff is amazing. Yeah, they can. So pretty. I absolutely love it. She looks stunning with this shade. And just apply it to the other side. You guys can see it kitna pigmented hai. And I love a good pigmented eyeshadow, you know. This will, you know, stay put throughout the day and night. Aapke eyeshadows have to be super pigmented, और उसकी stay has to be proper. Especially for a makeup artist, हमें ऐसे eyeshadows चाहिए होते हैं कि उसकी कोई complaint ना आए. Because brides and party makeups have to last all night. God forbid if they don't, our brides or our clients get super rude then, you know, so you don't want a rude customer. So there we go guys, she looks stunning. It has a built-in coverage. I'm going to take a little brownish shade and fill in her outer V. So there's that summer look that we're looking for. Absolutely love it. So cute. It's perfect for night and day look both. Aap apna mascara, whatever is your favorite mascara, you guys can apply that. Wow, I love, look at that. So pretty. This is one thing that I love about summer looks. You can play around so much. You can do whatever you like. You can do, you know, summery looks. Like आप ये look करके beach जा सकते हो. You can do this look and go to a pool party. You know, look up. Okay, yeah. And आजकल तो ये look has been trending so much because of that series, you know, Euphoria. And whoa, she looks beautiful. What you can further do is take the same applicator from their palette, take a little color, look up, and just place it on the lower lash. Like that. If you want some extra cover to it. Love everything about this look. Super pretty. Also guys, if you wish to buy this, आपके पास इसका QR code और product ID दोनों जो है आपके पास इस वक्त मौजूद है. And you guys can easily buy it from our Bypass app. या तो इसका QR code आप scan करके खरीद सकते हैं from our Bypass app, or either you can send the product ID of this product on our WhatsApp number and we're gonna deliver it to you. So this and the seller for this is Daifi 3D, and also the palette is called Daifi 3D. So you guys, we're done with her eye look and I absolutely love her. I love her look. Now is the time to put some color to her lips. And none other than our Meet Me Hags matte lipstick. Now again, since it's summer, आपको बाकी और सब कुछ matte के साथ साथ lips को भी matte रखना ज़रूरी है. You can use a lip gloss, but first try to lock in your lips with a matte lippy. So let me show you guys the color. This is what the color is going to look like. It's a very dark corally tone. And I'm going to take my brush and apply it to her. Okay, stretch your ears. Yeah. And look at that. It's so pretty. She looks like a mermaid with that eye makeup. Okay, तो आप अपना इससे line करेंगे. And then it's up to you. You can even put gloss in the middle and be done with that look if you're going to the beach or you're going to a pool party. But if it's a night look, you can then keep it matte with the same lippy and be done with it, you know. And I'm gonna spread that out evenly and use it here. Oh, I love it. So pretty and super pigmented. I love a smooth pigmented lippy which is not drying at all. क्योंकि बहुत drying matte lipstick भी ना लगाएं तो better है. You don't want your lips to look chapped. So this Wardah Beauty Meet Matte Hags liquid lip gloss is, and the seller for this is Honeyverse. आपके पास इसका भी QR code and product ID आपकी screen पे इस वक्त आ रही होगी. So what you can do is you can easily download our Bypass app and buy it through that by scanning it, of course. And you can send the product ID to our WhatsApp number and we'll send it to you. So you guys, our makeup look is ready and she looks absolutely stunning. And I don't think I have to further say anything for her. And look at that. So guys, iske saath saath hi, since the look is complete, I would like to also add in our Sunsilk serum. It's going to give that shine we all need in summers. So guys, also hydrate your hair as much as your face needs it. I'm just going to lock in some serum to the ends. Oh, I love this serum. It smells great. It's just something you all need in your life. And now see, आपकी styling instantly easy हो जाती है. It's locking in all those layers of her hair. This is why I love our Sunsilk products, you know. And guys, the more you buy Sunsilk and Glow Lovely products from us, from Bypass, the more chances you have to win our beauties, you know. All of these straighteners and these blow dryers, किसी 12 lucky winners will win. So guys, if you wish to own a Remington straightener and a Remington blow dryer, then you guys do nothing but buy all the Sunsilk and Glow Lovely products you see on Bypass app. Yes, you guys, I hope you guys liked your look for today and enjoyed it as much as I did, because I really did enjoy that look and I've been meaning and wanting to do that blue aqua eyes for someone at least. And I mean, who better than Aksa? So guys, thank you for watching us. And until next time, and don't forget to participate in our lucky draw. See you guys later.